Hi guys, I'm Omega Red Fan, and this is how to make a cartoon animation. This is also behind the scenes sneak peek at my animation cells before and after. The first thing to do is to make a sketch of every scene you're going to draw for animation, with stick figures, that is. You draw stick figures, depending on how many scenes you want. It's best to draw a sketch before you draw the final product. It's really simple. Step 1, draw the sketch. Step 2, draw the final product. Step 3, put it all together, and you have your cartoon. Your animation is perfect. What do you want to draw? Currently, I'm working on a sports parody program. This here is just one of many football highlights I'm going to draw for my upcoming sports animation program. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.